Hello guys, I am Meet Bhanushali. Welcome to Our Code Kare, a non-profit organization where newcomers and professionals associate with each other and contribute to the community. Today we'll be solving the problem from CodeChef. So let's quickly read the problem. One day, Chef's friend gave him a wrong number W containing n plus 1 digits and said that actual number A is the largest possible number that can be obtained from deleting exactly one digit of W. Chef was able to find A but forgot W. Given A, find the smallest possible number W of length n plus 1 without leading zeros. That is consistent with the story above. We can show that there is always at least one such W consistent with the story. So the input goes like the first line contains an integer t, the number of test cases. Then the test cases follow. Each test case contains a single line of input, an integer a. So what we have to do is we'll be given a string of number. We'll be given a number, right? So we have to add one number such that the number becomes minimum as possible. Okay. So if you observe this number 987654321, if we add 1 before 9, so this number becomes minimum, right? If you just go to this second number, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 9, so you cannot add 1 before this number, right? This number won't be minimum if you add 1 before this existing one. So neither you can add 0 if it's given in the question itself that leading zeros, we can't put leading zeros, right? So what we'll do is we'll just keep 1 as it is and add 0 after this one, and then we'll just simply print this part starting from 2. Okay, so before moving to the explanation part, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload new video. So this is a test case. 2 is the number of test cases. So I have this number initially 987643211, right? So what I'll do is I'll just add 1, and later I'll add this whole number 9, 8, 7, 6, and so on. So this number will be my minimum, right? And same with this case. I can't add 1. So if I add 1 before this number will not be as minimum as possible, right? So what I'll do is I'll just print this one number as it is, right? Then I'll add 0, and then I'll print this whole here. So it will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 9. Hope you got the concept. This problem was greedy one. So moving to the code part. Okay, so here in the first line I have taken the number of test cases. Okay, then I have taken a string input as my number. So these and this number will be stored here in list variable. Then if my first index is 1, okay, if my character at the first index is 1, then I'll just print 1 as it is and add 0 to it, and then again I'll print this further part, right? Else what I'll do is if if the number is greater than 1 or any number except 1, so what I'll do is I'll just add 1 and add the remaining whole list. So in this case, you will observe 987654321, I just need once before 9 to make this number minimum as possible, right? So let's quickly run this code, okay? So this is our input and this is our expected output, right? So we should get this as our answer. So running this code, yeah, you can see our test case has been passed. We have received exactly the output we required. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like our channel. Show us some love and keep coding. Thank you.